Tired of waiting days for your Printify earnings? Let's get that money into your account now. First, head over to your Printify dashboard and make sure you have enough available balance for withdrawal. Remember, you can only withdraw available funds. Next, go to your payment settings. It's crucial to have your withdrawal method properly set up. If not, do that now. Connect your PayPal or Payoneer account. Now, click Withdraw, usually found near your available balance. You'll see a page to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Type in the exact amount you want to transfer, remembering any minimum withdrawal limits Printify might have. Double-check the number before proceeding. You will see a confirmation screen asking to confirm the amount of money you withdraw. Carefully review the information and then press the Confirm button. Depending on your withdrawal method, the money should reflect in your account almost instantly, but in some cases it will be processed within 2,448 hours. Keep an eye on your payment history in Printify to track the status. That's it, you've successfully withdrawn your funds instantly. Now go celebrate your sales.